Here it is, h of x equals 5 to the x. But what points lie on this function? Let's figure it out. Here's a table for you to fill out so that we can organize this information well. However, in order to do this, you're probably going to need to use a calculator, since the numbers are going to get really big really fast. If you don't own a calculator, it's easy to find one online by searching for scientific calculator. And if you do have your own scientific calculator, it should have a button that makes evaluating exponential expressions very simple. In fact, Google makes a calculator that's very easy to find and very easy to use. Here it is. It comes up right when you search scientific calculator on Google. This is what I'll be using today to do our calculations. As you can see, this calculator has a button that says x to the y on it. Now, if I want to calculate 6 to the third power, for example, I would press 6, then I would press x to the y, and then I would press 3. You can see that the calculator is showing us 6 to the third. When I press equals, that gives me the number that's equal to, which is 216. Let's try another one. Maybe I want to find 4 to the negative fifth. Well, I press 4, then our lovely x to the y button, and then I type negative 5. Great, I see 4 to the negative fifth, which is what we're looking for. Pressing enter tells me that it's this long exponent. Let's practice using that button on our calculator to find different points on this function. For each value of x I've written here, please fill in the corresponding value of h of x. In other words, find 5 to the x for each of these x values.